Let's make 3D flower basket in SolidWorks with the help of project curve feature. Now you will see this is a kind of, this is a front view, this is section view, and there is one top view. In top view you will see this is the outer side and there is an inner side also visible. Now you will see there are 20 number of patterns. You will see this one pattern is highlighted here. This is a kind of ellipse. The width is 20 millimeter. See, this is the start from top and with bottom. See, you will see one construction line. Okay. Now if we see side view, the total length 160 millimeter and bottom diameter 40 millimeter. If you divide half, let's make one end to another end, and we will use project curve to gain this feature. I'll tell you how. This half is 30 degree and this half is 20 degree. Okay. Let's see how we can achieve this. Front plane sketch. First I am going to create one surface. Let me select line from here to here to here. Make this one construction line. Okay. Smart dimension, total length 100 millimeter. Okay. Now angle, select this point. You will see, select this one, 30 degree. 60 divided by 2, it's going to be 30 degree. Now distance from here to here, 40 divided by 2, 20. Now go to surface and select extruded boss base. Keep mid plane and make it, let's say, 60, more than the depth of 20 millimeter. Okay. Now let me select top plane, sketch. Now let's draw this ellipse. Don't make it center, just draw somewhere here. Exit. Now let me do one relation. Select these two horizontal. Even for a proper visibility you can connect it. That's it. Now select these 3 points, make one constraint horizontal. Select this point to this, coincide. Similarly this end, point to this, coincide. Because our ellipse is under this. Now dimensions is given 20 millimeter. This one. Okay. Isometric view. Now see, this is plane and this is our geometry. Now exit. Now drop down curve and choose project curve. Now I want to project this curve on this surface. So here projection type is sketch on face. This is the sketch, and here you have to select the surface. Let me select this. See, you will see the preview. Okay. Now simply right click and hide this. See, if you see wire diameter 2 millimeter, you will see wire diameter 2 millimeter. Simply go to feature, activate swept boss base. Now here profile and path, choose circular profile, make it diameter 2, and here let me select this project curve, and you will see simple, say okay. Okay, let me do color. Okay, now select and hide this curve. Now we have one ellipse or one body. Now I am going to create one axis for circular pattern. So drop down reference geometry axis. Now here I am going to select front plane, right plane, 2 planes, isometric view. Now you will see. Okay. Now we will rotate this one along with this axis. Circular pattern. Now axis already selected. Equal spacing 360 and 20 number of patterns we need. Let me select this. Now you will see the preview. It's clear. Say okay. let me hide this axis. Click on axis and hide. This is how we make a good looking 3D basket with the help of simple project curve feature. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.